To this day, I find it really weird. I'm dumb. Okay, so this way. Okay. Oh, there's Lord Jesus. Okay. All right, we in the house. Excuse my coughing, y'all. I'm fine. Why he got so many things down here? Makes me think that like bodies are in it. Like what the fuck? Okay, is this okay? That's the goddamn okay. I got it. Huh?
Today we are cooking fat
food. You're cooking fat food. Oh, cat cat food. Oh my god. Talking like that.
Amazing. Time
What the hell? This, like, come on. You said Gotham pizza, right? He got a body bag. That's what the fuck he got. bruh, whatever. Bruh, I want to call the cops. Can we call the cops? Can we call the You okay, baby? All right, it's okay. Oh my god. All right, there we go. All right. See y'all, like I really had. Okay, the song's over. Oh Lord, life. I promise I don't drive like this in real life. Oh wait, I'm not supposed to be in the car. Oh. Okay. Oh.
Sent in by you guys. Eviction notice. Forget the fan mail. We'll be...
Not y'all liking his voice. Y'all like his voice like that? It's at night too. Not embarrassed. 8:37 p.m. Okay. He said Jazz Kayla's a Jax. Oh shit. Wait. Wait. You said Jazz. Ooh, I can't even call for help. Ooh. Ooh. He said, oh Lord have mercy. He said, did you take a photo of? Let's hurry up. Okay. Let's just hurry. There has to be another goddamn fuck. Oh my god. Bitch. That again. All right. Yeah. We got it.